Hi, I'm Brad from Spare Parts. Welcome to Sloanebuilt. The worst feeling you can get is being defected by the RMS for a worn-out Ringfeder pit. Today we'd like to help our customers with providing them with some tips in our products that we stock in store and online. The Ringfeder rebuild kit is for worn-out ring feeders that helps you ensure that your couplet is safe. If you're not sure, we do have a Ringfeder wear gauge which will give you the maximum wear tolerance where you need to replace your pin and bush. These are sold separately to our Ringfeder rebuild kit. If the gauge has helped you to know that your pin is worn, we do have a Ringfeder rebuild kit available that suits an Oz 101, 202 and a 303 kit. The kit comes with a 2-piece pin, 2 compression springs and a top and bottom bush and a nylon wear pad. For more information, head to our website or give us a call. We can arrange a full rebuild here in our workshop by one of our quality tradesmen. Mention this ad and we'll supply a free tow-eye bush to your completed job.